Once upon a time in an African town, there lived a kind couple named Kunle and Blessing. They had two little children, Victoria and Amos. Kunle and Blessing loved their kids very much, but sometimes they didn't know the best way to make them happy and confident. One sunny day, while Kunle was at the market, he met an old friend who told him about a wonderful lady named Rebecca. Rebecca has a YouTube channel, said the friend. She shares stories, tips, and real-life experiences to help parents like us raise happy, confident kids. Excited, Kunle rushed home to tell Blessing. Together, they found Rebecca's channel on their phone. They watched a video where Rebecca told a story about a magical tree that grew when kids were happy. They loved it so much that they watched another video and another and another. Rebecca's stories were full of love and kindness. She taught Kunle and Blessing how to be gentle and patient with Victoria and Amos. Rebecca showed them fun games to play and ways to talk that made their children feel special and loved. Kunle and Blessing remembered how they were disciplined when they were kids, and it sometimes made them sad. But Rebecca's tips helped heal those old scars. They learned to be more intentional about parenting. They hugged Victoria and Amos more often, listened to their little problems, and praised them when they did something good. Slowly, Victoria and Amos became very happy and confident. They laughed more, played joyfully, and shared their feelings with their parents. The magical change in their home made Kunle and Blessing feel like the luckiest parents in the world. From that day on, they watched Rebecca's videos regularly and practiced everything they learned. Their family was filled with love and happiness, and they lived happily ever after. If you want a happy and confident family like Kunle and Blessing, subscribe to Rebecca's channel today. Let her stories and tips bring joy and magic to your home.